My name is Sovori Mirisa and I'm 49 years old and I come from PNG. I am a patient now at the Max Hospital in New Delhi, India. I am here for a treatment of 2 surgeries, the total hip replacement and the total knee replacement as well. I was suffering from severe knee pain for quite a number of years prior to 2017 and then only to find out after 2017 that I had arthritis of the hip. I lived with arthritis of the hip for another 5-6 years. In that, it deformed my left knee, side effect of overusing the left knee. So the doctor advised that I needed 2 surgeries, one on the hip and one on the knee, which they cannot do in Port Moresby. In the last 2 years, I was looking out for somewhere I can go and do the surgeries. I found the Medivisor India treatment advertisement. When I contacted Medivisor India treatment team, I found out that they can do the surgery at one go. They sent me a quotation. They were right there at the airport to pick us up, take us to the hotel to rest, brought us to the hospital. So we have been taken care of very well. I have done the 2 surgeries all in one go. I was discharged today. The staff, the admin, the nurse are very, very great. I'm very grateful that I found the Medivisor India treatment team. They've been able to take us this far. I am feeling much, much better. In 1 week, I can be able to walk with my walker already, even with the 2 surgeries together. So I will encourage everyone to contact the Medivisor team. You'll be in safe hands. They will take you all the way from PNG into India, and then as soon as you arrive at the New Delhi International Airport, everything will be sorted out for you very well.